Here is yesterday's painting, all dry, and I love it. Now let's get into today's painting. So today we're working with violet, sap green, spring green, and pink. I'm mixing the paints with Floetrol. I do 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint and mix it until it is a consistency like flowing honey. I'm also using some silicone oil and some pink glitter. I mixed the pink glitter in with the pink paints to make sure that there wasn't any clumps of glitter in the painting. And then I'm layering all of the paint into a dirty cup so that I couldn't do the flip cup technique.